Off-road driving, you are one of the guys with Ironman off-road suspension. Your impressions?
Yeah, we came back on the Omaruru river down to the Messemkrater Road into Damraland, where there's a lot of corrugation, and yeah, you can definitely see the difference there in terms of road holding. A good suspension makes for a comfortable and a much safer ride.
Your advice to any off-road driver, I mean, what is your advice to them?
Your biggest secret, besides from your suspension, is your tire pressure that you need to control and to monitor, and obviously your speed. If you're on off-road and you want to see the country, take your time, roll down the windows, and enjoy. Africa Off-Road Adventures is a company that really wants to show Namibia how it is and how it, it's off the beaten track. We go to different places with 4x4s. We have a great time, great food, and yeah, we want to show the beauty of Namibia from a different angle.
Can I come to you and you make a custom-made package, it seems to me?
Yes, if you say you're into birding or into wildlife or whatever, we sit together, we take some driving time into consideration, what is possible and what's not possible, and we put the best deal on the table for you.
What is your secret to your trips? Come on, be fair, tell our viewers.
Go slow and give the people time to breathe, and my motto is real is rare, so I try to show the real Namibia.
We also had now Team Ironman with us. Your impressions? I think this to me was something, but your impressions.
Ironman, it's a great product. It's great people. We had a good trip, and yeah, I'm hoping to see them next year again.